Hi, welcome to PowerPoint Quickie with Sam, where I share with you quick and simple PowerPoint tips and hacks. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a quick and fun way to create collages in PowerPoint. Let's get into it. The lovely collage that you're looking at is what I will be recreating. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to pull up a new PowerPoint document and start creating. I'm going to change the size of this slide so that it reflects the previous image. To do this, I'm going to go to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide, and I'm going to change the width to 22.5 inches and 40 inches lengthwise or height. I'm going to click OK and maximize. I'm going to ensure that my slide is set to fit so that I can see it properly when I'm working with it. The next step is to insert or add my images to this slide. To do this, I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and these are the pictures I'm going to be using. So I'm going to drag from the right just to highlight everything, and I'm going to insert them all at once. The next step is to scale my images since they are too big for the collage we want to create. So I'm just going to pull these aside from the main canvas. I'm going to scale the middle image first, and then I'm going to scale the third image, which will be placed at the bottom. I'm also going to scale this one. If these aren't scaled properly, we can always come back to them and make adjustments. The next thing I'm going to do is to crop this image to a shape. And the shape I will be using is a circle. So I'm going to click the image, locate picture format, and select crop to shape. And I'm going to locate the sphere or circle. This is what it looks like. I'm also going to add a border to this. So I'm going to go back to picture format, locate picture border, and I'm going to change this to white. Also, I'm going to right click on the image and format the picture. I'm going to locate the fill and line feature. Let's click that. And I'm going to locate the line element since that is what I want to change. I am going to locate the width, and I'm going to change this to 15 points. And there it is. We're going to eventually come back to this image later. The next thing I'm going to make edits to is the first image. Now I'm going to come back to picture format, and I am going to click this downward facing arrowhead to reveal or collapse frame features. So we'll be adding some beautiful frames to our images like this one. I am going to select the rotated white, which is this feature. So this is what it looks like now, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this image. I'm also going to adjust the width of the image. Should be set to 15 points, but let's ensure it's there. 15 points, and this is also set to 15 points. So what I'm going to do is to look back at the previous image to ensure that I am aligning this properly. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slightly tilt these images to ensure that they at least look similar. To ensure that I'm doing the right thing, I am going to copy this slide and I'm going to create a new slide in the document we're working on, just so that I'll have it on page or on the slide to view it. So this is what it looks like. I am going to go back to our main slide and I'm going to tilt this image. And these are too big, so I'm going to go ahead and scale them again. So this is the slide I added, and as you can see, this is coming along. It's nowhere close, but we will eventually get there with a little work. I'm going to align these properly on the slide. And it seems as if it is coming together. I'm going to flush this a bit more. And as you can see, it is coming together. So you get the idea of what I'm trying to recreate. So this is a slide that was added, and I'm just going to remove it. This is the one we're working on. I'm also going to add a picture effect to the middle image. I'm going to add a bevel, and as you can see, the image slightly changes. Now, to add this background, I am going to right click away from these images, right click on the slide, format background, and choose pattern fill. This is the design that is there, and I'm going to change the color. Let's look to see if this is the right color. Nope. Go again. I think this looks like it. What do you think? Do you think I created it nicely? Let's zoom out. Maybe I missed something, or something is not aligned how it should be. But I think this is pretty similar. You can also add the middle image on this side. I think it looks good on this side as well. Or you can leave it here as is. It is up to you. So this is how you create a collage in PowerPoint. You can use different effects. Since there are so many different picture effects that are here, you can go around and fool around with this so that you can get the look or the effect that you want. You can also change the frames. There are different designs. Let's choose this one. There are different designs that you can change these to. It is totally up to you and the effect you're trying to get. But this is my collage. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.